Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to crop a photo into a circle in Canva with a transparent background. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Canva design or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Once you're in your workspace, direct your attention to the left sidebar and click on Elements. This is where you'll find all of Canva's graphic resources, including shapes, frames, and illustrations that you can use in your designs. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type Frames and hit Enter. This will filter the results to show you only frame options, which are essentially shape containers that allow you to crop images into specific forms. From the results that appear, locate and select the circle frame. It's usually one of the first options displayed since circles are a common frame shape used in designs. Now that you have your circle frame placed on the canvas, it's time to add your photo. Click on Uploads in the left sidebar to access any images you've previously uploaded to Canva. Once you've located the photo you want to crop, simply drag it directly into the circle frame you just placed. The photo will automatically fit into the circular shape, but you might need to adjust how it sits within the frame. To fine-tune the positioning of your photo, double-click on the image inside the frame. This allows you to zoom in, zoom out, or reposition the photo so that the most important parts are visible within the circle. Take a moment to adjust it until you're happy with how it looks. This step is crucial because it ensures your cropped image looks professional and well composed. Once you're satisfied with the crop, click on Share in the top right corner of your screen, then select Download from the drop-down menu. In the download options that appear, make sure to select PNG as your file format. PNG is important here because it supports transparency, unlike JPEG, which would give you a white background. Before you finalize the download, look for the checkbox labeled Transparent Background and make sure it's checked. This is what removes the background outside your circle, leaving only the circular image with transparency around it. This feature is especially useful if you plan to place this cropped image on different colored backgrounds or use it in presentations and social media posts. Finally, click the download button and wait a few seconds while Canva processes and exports your file. The system will generate your circular cropped image with a transparent background and save it to your device. And that's it. You've successfully created a circular cropped photo with a transparent background in Canva. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.